Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert horizontal division line in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we will insert horizontal division line in this document. Go to the Insert menu. Then click Equation option. Then go to the Design menu. Then choose horizontal equation line, and now we can see here we insert horizontal equation line very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.